So first one, we will draw the shift force diagram, afterward the axial force and bending moment diagram. So in the previous video, we watched how to calculate the support reactions, and in the end we verify the mistake. And now we will draw the shear force diagram. First, it's important to draw the shear force diagram first in the prior hand as bending moment diagram, because sometimes it influences that the correct final version. About shear force diagram, actually it is that we draw like separately verticals and horizontal numbers. We can start with the horizontal because it's the same as beam, and we start with the left side, and there's no VA, so we start there's nowhere to go, only distributed load, UDL going down 5 times 2 meters and 4 meters. So it's 5 times 4, it's 20 going down, so it's negative 20. BB says let's go up. We just follow the arrows. 45, so it's 25. There's jump of BB from negative 20 to positive 25. Then we stop at 2 meters, going then down because still UDL is going down. 5 times 2, 10, so that's 15. Jump of 10 by P. And it's 5. And there's also a jump now. Slope by 10, going to negative 5. You can write it negative or just 5. And VC goes up, and here we see that there will be, for bending moment, the extreme. So shear force up positive, down negative. That's it at the end, and they are hatched by vertical lines to the horizontal shear force. Done. And vertical, I start with the bottom. That would be correct. And yeah, like separately, so let's just follow the arrows. AJ goes left, we go left. That's 6. A bit less. That's 6. We don't think about the signs yet. Just at the end, go straight, because there's nothing, no one says you should go somewhere. Only P2 to jump by 12 from 6 to 6. And there is just go by 6, and this 6 we leave this 6, and like in the end this one goes on, that I will leave like this. So left side is positive, we turn the head to left side, and this is negative, and we keep in mind that there is negative 6 here. It did not finish to the 0. That's a difference. Nice line. So, and for this one, let's go as it was. No, don't look like it. As it was. Okay, I'll just Where is it? So we start with HB, going only 4 to the right because the arrow goes right. Going straight till P, jump by 10, and see, this is 4, this is 4, jump by 6, jump by 10, 6. And we go up, and there's also we leave as 6, and this time this 6 is positive. These signs you need to know by heart only. Yeah. And there is no coincidence by that. -6 and +6, and this 6 that connects is the axial force on this. Yeah, by 6 it goes. So this is 6. We just want to know the signs, positive, negative. Axial force diagram. My professors taught me to draw at both sides. So listen, your professor, your lecturer. And see, this 6 is not the sign will not be by this, but these these two arrows. So this goes here. This goes 12 there. Copy. This goes as compression. This one goes as tension. So which one wins, and by what? By how many? By 6, and the compression wins. So this one is negative axial force. Okay. Did we finish this shear force diagram? I think yes. But only the hatch. Only the hatch. And see, the hatch makes here as grids, and that's normal. That's okay because the paper we can't. But like in life, they do not see each other because diagrams are just imagine that happens inside the elements. Vertical, horizontal, the beam, column, or the wall, and they don't meet each other. About the axial force diagrams, so this one is only one insider member of insider member. This one is outsider. Why? Because there is one and is free. And we draw axial force by this arrow. Doesn't matter this side or that side that presents the sign compression or tension, but because there is no HC because of the support, so this is 0. This is 0. All this member is 0. The axial force works like this. This one will be VB, and this one we don't have. That's also 0 because we don't have VA as. And that's okay. It could be like that. Just this is the way the easiest way how to draw the axial force diagram. And this one is VB equal to 45, and it go into. So this one is like, let's draw it like scale 6 and 45. So this one is 45, and also negative. Like it, like this, and we draw the hatch like this. nicely. Yeah, here it's hard for me. This super program to draw. Yeah. This is Excel force diagram. Excel force. Axial force diagram. And then bending moment diagram is still, that will be in the next video. The bending moment diagram.